Welcome to the no-cook meal system for busy weeks. This is a practical, assembly-only approach designed for professionals who need to eat well during travel and packed schedules without ever turning on the stove. This video is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts teams as part of their health and wellness program, Eat Well. This system is purpose-built for your busiest weeks. When cooking feels impossible, it uses smart ingredients that come together in minutes. This delivers assembly-only meals in under 3 minutes with zero cooking or cleanup, providing stable energy and metabolic support. The core principles of no-cook meals rely on zero friction, removing barriers like recipes and shopping for specialty ingredients. We focus on metabolic stability using a protein, fiber, and healthy fat formula. This ensures consistency over perfection, creating sustainable habits for demanding weeks. The foundation of this system is building your no-cook pantry. Success starts with having the right staples on hand, ingredients that require zero cooking, last for days or weeks, and offer maximum versatility. Our pantry essentials begin with pre-washed greens and leafy bases. They are cleaned, dried, and ready to use, requiring no prep work. Stock varieties like baby spinach, arugula, mixed spring greens, and butter lettuce. Keep 2 to 3 containers in your fridge for power bowls and wraps. Canned legumes are your protein and fiber powerhouse. Chickpeas are versatile for bowls and salads. Black beans are ideal for Mexican-inspired meals. Lentils are fast and high in protein and iron. Each provides 12 to 15 grams of protein and 10 to 12 grams of fiber per cup. For pre-cooked protein sources, use rotisserie chicken, which can be shredded and stored for 3 to 4 days. Smoked salmon is ready to eat and rich in omega-3s. Pre-cooked tofu requires no pressing or marinating. Tuna or salmon packets are shelf-stable and portable. Healthy fats are vital for satiety and flavor. Use extra virgin olive oil as your go-to liquid fat. Avocados offer creamy texture and healthy monounsaturated fats. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and pumpkin seeds, add crunch and should be pre-portioned for convenience. Flavor boosters do the heavy lifting, transforming simple bases into complete meals. Include hummus, salsa, pesto, tahini, and Greek yogurt. These ingredients require no chopping or measuring. Just open, scoop, and enjoy. Microwave-ready carbohydrates are game changers, heating in only 90 seconds. Stock quinoa cups, brown rice cups, sweet potato packs, and cauliflower rice. Keep 5 to 7 cups on hand to provide the carbohydrate base for your meals. Now let's explore the 3-part assembly formula. This structure is key to every successful no-cook meal, combining essential components to keep you satisfied, energized, and metabolically stable. The 3 essential components are protein, providing 20 to 35 grams per meal, which keeps you full. Second, fiber and greens support digestion and provide micronutrients. Third, healthy fats slow digestion for stable blood sugar and enhance nutrient absorption. This combination prevents midday crashes. We have 5 signature no-cook meal templates. These are plug-and-play formulas. You can swap ingredients freely based on what you have, and each one takes under 3 minutes to assemble. Template 1 is the 2-minute Power Bowl, your default weekday lunch. Start with pre-washed greens and canned legumes. Then add olive oil, lemon juice, and nuts or seeds. This is filling, customizable, and provides around 25 grams of protein. Template 2 is the Mediterranean snack plate, perfect for working lunches. Scoop hummus onto a plate and arrange vegetables, olives, and whole grain crackers. Add protein like smoked salmon or hard-boiled eggs. It's finger food, packed with protein and fats, and requires minimal cleanup. Template 3 is the high-protein wrap, ideal for eating on the go or packing for travel. Use a whole grain wrap, spread Greek yogurt and mustard, and layer with pre-cooked protein, spinach, and avocado slices. It's portable, satisfying, and delivers 30 to 35 grams of protein. Template 4 is the 3-ingredient rice bowl. For a warm, fast meal, microwave a quinoa or brown rice cup for the base. Add rinsed canned black beans, then top with salsa and Greek yogurt. It's ready in 2 minutes and delivers balanced macros. Template 5 is the gut-friendly yogurt bowl, perfect for breakfast or a snack. Start with Greek yogurt, add berries, sprinkle chia seeds, and top with walnuts or almonds. This probiotic-rich, high-protein bowl supports digestive health and keeps you full for 3 to 4 hours. Here is the complete grab-and-go grocery list. This requires zero cooking and covers all 5 meal templates, giving you maximum flexibility for your weekly grocery run. The list is organized by category: proteins like rotisserie chicken and Greek yogurt, carbohydrates like rice cups and wraps, produce including pre-washed greens and avocados, healthy fats such as olive oil and nuts, and flavor boosters like hummus and salsa. Finally, pantry staples include canned legumes. Now let's look at why this system actually works. It's designed around the psychology and physiology of maintaining healthy habits during your most demanding weeks, succeeding where other approaches fail. The 5 core advantages are zero friction design, metabolic stability, digestive support from high-fiber foods, decision simplicity using templates, and sustainable consistency because the system is easy to repeat. The real-world results show an average assembly time of 3 minutes per meal, 0 cleanup required, 4 to 5 hours of satiety, and 25 to 35 grams of protein per meal. These results are grounded in practical reality. This is your weekly no-cook planning template. Use this framework to map out your week, providing a flexible structure that removes daily decision-making. The suggested weekly breakdown includes 3 power bowls, 2 snack plates, 2 high-protein wraps, 2 yogurt mornings, and 2 rice bowls. This covers roughly half your weekly eating, leaving room for flexibility. Here is a sample 5-day plan demonstrating how to rotate through the templates for variety. You can see how the meals transition from yogurt bowls to power bowls and rice bowls throughout the week. For advanced success, batch your shopping weekly, pre-portion your fats, and double your proteins by shredding rotisserie chicken immediately. Keep a desk stash of shelf-stable items, use clear containers for visibility, and rotate your templates. For travel days, pack high-protein wraps in foil and bring pre-portioned nuts. For hotel stays, stock your mini fridge with greens and hummus. For the office, keep ingredients at work for fresh assembly during the week. To get started this week, Day 1 is stocking your pantry with the grocery list. Day 2, test one template like the 2-minute power bowl to build confidence. Days 3 through 7, rotate through the templates. By week 2, you can create your own preferred rhythm. Your no-cook meal system starts now. You have the list, the templates, and the framework. Start your grocery run and test your first template this week. Your energized future self will thank you.